A capsule wardrobe is a minimalistic of collection of all the essentials such as clothing, jewelry, accessories, and shoes that can be mixed and matched no matter the occasion or season. Hello to all my Revolutional sisters out there. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you have seen from the title of today I'll be talking or taking you guys through all the basics you need to build your capsule wardrobe. So on today's video, I'll be unpacking all the stable pieces that are important in creating a capsule wardrobe. These pieces are essential and they will carry you throughout the year. Even though the fashion world is forever changing, these pieces stay within the fashion house. For many years, they have been existing within the fashion world, but they are essential in helping us to create a more versatile wares. A capsule wardrobe consists of a mini wardrobe of versatile pieces that you can mix and match with the benefit of a different wear. Without wasting any time, let's just get straight to all the basic pieces that you need to create a capsule wardrobe. A plain white or a black t-shirt. Even though the world of fashion is forever changing, I believe there are those simple pieces that could never be replaced. I mean, how simple can it get? A plain white or a black t-shirt can be either dressed up or down. For more casual looks, you can rock your t-shirt with some pair of jeans to elevate the look to a more semi-formal look. A touch of a blazer will just do just fine. Basic number 2, it will be a white button-up shirt. A white button-up shirt is so versatile. It goes with almost anything. This should be that a simple, stable pieces to invest on, as you can create more wear from this piece. There is no doubt that a white t-shirt has to be one of the hardest working wardrobe staple we own. Whether you choose to wear it tucked in, open over tag, or you can choose to wear it on its own. What you need to know is that options for styling a white t-shirt all year around are endless. A basic number 3, it will be invest on neutral jumpers jerseys. This stable piece can be worn throughout the year on different outfit creation. You can opt to invest into neutral colors such as black, your white, your beige, and your grays, or even nicer brown. It can also allow you to create a different outfit depending on your personality, from your casual to more polished classy looks. A basic number 4, it will be a pair of black or a wash of blue jeans. Jeans have always been there for centuries. I believe that is an essential staple for both men and women's wardrobe. I love rocking my pair of jeans, more especially in those days where I'm not sure on what to wear or if I'm in a hurry. But I still want to look more classy and more polished with a touch of a blazer or a button-up shirt. This elevated the look very extremely. Remember, my ladies, our fashion taste is defined by the pattern that we lay onto our outfits. The fifth basic piece, it will be a trouser pants. One of my personal favorite stable piece, more especially the white pants, because I think they are so accommodating towards a variety of different body types, more especially if you got them in an oversize. These pants are comfortable, easy to style. Depending on your personal style, these pants look good with sneakers, heels, or any flat shoes of your preference. They are also appropriate for different occasions, work, school, romantic date, a bunch with your couple of your friends, girlfriends. Oh, let me not forget the long legs effect it creates. So yes, if you love the fantasy of having long nails like me, give the wide pants a try, not forgetting the chic look it gives you. Basic tip number 6, it will be a black dress. What? Yes, a black dress. According to your preference, you can either go with a black silk dress, floral or ruffle pattern. I think a black dress will always be on a classy stable, possessing that clean and polished look, depending on the occasion you dress it up for. Maybe it could be a church vibe, a romantic date, a wedding. So next time, think about adding that black dress to your wardrobe. Tip number 7, it will be invest in coats. Opt for neutral colors as they have a more wear. As I have already mentioned, all the stable pieces I am mentioning here, they never go out of style. So investing on quality pieces will actually save you a lot of money. Quality pieces that could last you for the lifetime. Do not overlook the coat. You can also wear your coat throughout the year depending on the type of season you are experiencing at work, depending also on where you are staying. And also consider that chic style it possesses to your outfit. I'm also talking about the trench coat, the variety of wear that the trench coat comes with. You can wear it during summer, and you can also wear your trench coat during spring. Basic piece number 8, it will be invest in oversized blazers, more especially on neutral colors, talking about your black, your white, your beige, and your grays. This is how you can pull up your oversized blazer in a more feminine way without looking like you're wearing your father's or your husband or your boyfriend lugs. Highlight your shape under the blazer with an oversized geometric layer like a blazer. You want to have a feminine contrast. You can achieve this with a front tag, a flattering shirt, a dress, or a cute jumpsuit. Remember to scarf the sleeves, as this little step goes a long way in taking the blazer from 0 to 100. Showing your wrist and forearm highlight a point of femininity, creating a balance. So piece number 9, it will be shoes. So let's look at shoes. I think it's very essential for us women to have those pair of ankle boots which are comfortable heels or sandals, a loafer, and my favorite, which are white sneakers that you can rock them with almost anything, and I believe them to be as comfortable as they can be. We are looking at a bodysuit. A bodysuit is a stable piece which is also convenient. Bodysuits are great for work wear, also great for casual looks. They have been on the fashion house since the 90s, and they are known from multiple wear, from pairing them with jeans, blazers, pants, or even coats. So you have a variety of wear from bodysuits. So never leave a bodysuit out the next time you are going for your wardrobe shopping.
Because what people don't understand is, and I tell my students this all the time, you don't get what you pray for. You don't get what you pray for. You get what you have the power to believe for. See, there's plenty of people out here saying prayers. Oh, I can pray for you. Okay, that's cool. But can you believe for it? See, it's easy to say it, But then when it gets hard, how can I keep believing for it? That's when I have to remove the distractions. That's when I gotta go get quiet. That's when I go in nature. That's when I go take my time for myself. That's when I go put on a meditation or affirmation, something that's gonna reshift me, right? That's gonna resculpt how I can see my life in that moment. I have that power to do that. You're not powerless out here.
Feel free to comment some of the basics capsule staples that you feel that they were not mentioned on this video on the comment box below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with other of your friends. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you the next time. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye bye. Love you all.